What is up, my crypto legends? In today's episode, I have a potential great trading opportunity for the Link US dollar pair. If this plays out, we are potentially going to come all the way up to the $40 range in the next few days. Also, we'll be checking the BTC US dollar pair. If you saw yesterday's episode, I did mention this diamond pattern. We did break out nicely, meeting the target. Also, the Ethereum US dollar pair, we are going up nicely here, as you can see, when we broke the $1,700 range, and my trades are in an absolute profit. I'm up 26% for the Ethereum US dollar pair and up 17% for BTC US dollar. If you are interested in trading, make sure to use my link in the description for Bybit. You can get up to $200 of bonus using my link, guys. We'll be checking out PayPal confirms it's buying crypto security firm Curve, and Raoul says Bitcoin and crypto will soar to $100 trillion market cap, and here is why. All of this, guys, in today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button if you're getting value out of this content, and subscribe for coming updates, and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, taking a look at the 4-hourly chart here for the Chainlink US dollar pair, we can see that we are in this huge megaphone ascending channel kind of formation. As you can see, we have major resistance here and major support resistance right there, and we actually following the trend line, as you can see here, and also we are getting supported nicely right over there. I want to show you here on the chart that we are potentially forming an incredibly bullish pattern, which is a cup and handle. We can see this formation right here and also the handle right there, and we are hitting major resistance right now. I will show you why it has been resistance right there, as you can see, and has been major support right here. And again, once we broke down here, it was major resistance, so we got a clear point right there. Another one here, and another one right there, guys. So you can see it is not the most beautiful cup and handle I have seen, but we can see potentially that this is major resistance around the $31.5. If we break this resistance, guys, I am sure we're going to come pretty high up. The measured move, let me just get these arrows out of the way. The measured move would be getting the lower part here of the cup, which would be around this area. Let's go with this area to the resistance, and from the breakout, we could potentially see the Link US dollar pair come all the way to the $40 range. We could probably take profits around the $38, $40 range. If we break out this resistance area around the 31.5, I would enter the trade at 32, 33 if the volume starts kicking in, and potentially exiting around the $38, $40 here for the Link US dollar pair. If you are interested in trading the Chainlink US dollar pair, you can do it on Bybit, on Fairmex. They have the US dollar tether perpetual. So check out the links in the description. You'll be getting the best bonus out there, guys. Let's check out the BTC US dollar pair. All right, guys, we did mention this diamond reversal pattern that was more bullish than bearish, like I said yesterday in my video, because we are in this ascending triangle, this inverse shoulder head and shoulder. We broke out from the descending wedge that I mentioned also, so this is a bit more bullish because we are inside all of these bullish patterns, but it is a reversal pattern. So I did mention, and I got a few comments and some other friends saying that this is not a diamond pattern, but if you just get the resistance lines and the support, as you can see, there's support there, support here, this is a trend line, and also support here to the upside, and the resistance right there. You can also see this middle bit here, and this would be the other middle bit right there, and the other point would be there. So if you get the connection of all these resistance and support, you do have a diamond formation, and it did play out pretty nicely. My first target was from this consolidation to the diamond reversal pattern. From the breakout, it would be around the $53,000 range, and I also mentioned this other target right here from this lower bit to there, and from the breakout, guys, we more or less got to the target, as you can see here on the chart right there. So the pattern doesn't need to be perfect. The more ugly the pattern is, sometimes the better it is, because it's harder to detect and the more efficiency it has. It doesn't have to be perfect. The more perfect it is, the more cautious you need to be. So this is the target for the diamond pattern. And also we broke out this major resistance around the $52,000 range. It is the inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. It is the ascending triangle. So guys, the target would be the $58,000 to $60,000 range all the way up here. So if you are in a trade, guys, congratulations. Let's go and see the Ethereum US dollar pair. I have really nothing to add to the Ethereum. We'll be checking out the 15-minute chart to see if we can detect any possible trade, but we did mention on my last videos, if we broke the $1,700 range and we came back down and retested it as support, I did enter a great trade here for the Ethereum US dollar pair, currently up almost $300 in a profit. So guys, this was a great trading opportunity. Let's check out the 15-minute chart. Supposedly we need to go up all the way to the $2,000 range because of this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. Let me go back to the 1 hourly. You know, we do have the breakout of this descending wedge, like I mentioned. You know, this is a quick reminder, and if there's anybody new to the channel, I can remind also, we got this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, and the target is around the $2,000 area. So this potentially has more upside to come. We might have a retracement here and then continue to the upside, or we might go up from here, guys. Let me just check out the 15-minute chart with you to see if we can find any possible pattern formation. We have a decent amount of volume on this leg up, but it seems we're just consolidating right here. We might be forming a kind of pennant. So if we go to the hourly, it might be a pennant and we might have another leg up, and this next leg up is going to take us to the target. If we see this all as a one leg up, and this consolidation phase, we see the retracement, and this would be the leg up. If it's a bull flag or a bull pennant, this would take us around the $2,000 range. So we can expect this, guys, also playing out. We might have a consolidation and have the last leg up to almost all-time high. The target here of this descending wedge. So this is what I'm expecting. We might break to the downside, have a small retracement, and then continue to the upside. Let's take a look at this PayPal news. PayPal confirms it's buying crypto security firm Curve. The payment giant said Curve will help it accelerate and expand its initiatives to support cryptocurrency and digital assets. PayPal said on Monday it has agreed to acquire Israel-based Curve, a provider of cloud-based infrastructure for digital asset security. The financial terms of the deal were not disclosed, but the payment giant said it plans to use its new purchase to accelerate and expand its initiatives to support cryptocurrency and digital assets. The acquisition of Curve is part of our effort to invest in the talent and technology to realize our vision for a more inclusive financial system, said PayPal's Vice President and General Manager of Blockchain, Crypto and Digital Currencies. And if you're not familiar with Curve, Curve is a software that uses multiple cryptocurrencies to operate an automated market-making service focused on stablecoins, cryptocurrencies programmed to mimic other assets. One of a number of emerging decentralized finance protocols built on Ethereum, Curve facilitates trading not using a central order book, but rather pools of cryptocurrencies provided by users, who in turn can earn fees through their deposits. And now PayPal is buying the security firm Curve, so this is extremely bullish. Let's take a look at this news over here. Raoul says Bitcoin and crypto will soar to $100 trillion market cap, and here is why. Macroeconomics guru and Real Vision co-founder Raoul believes that the market cap of Bitcoin and crypto can soar at least 100x from its current valuation of about $1.7 trillion. The former Goldman Sachs manager tells his 419,000 followers that many traditional investors fail to see the potential of the crypto markets, as they believe assets often revert back to their mean or their average price over time. As the internet of value and trust accelerates, it is going to destroy more large old businesses models than maybe the internet itself. I know this sounds grandiose and hyperbolic, but the TAM, the total addressable markets of the transfer, storage, accretion of value, is the largest and most valuable on earth. This space will not be a $1.7 trillion ecosystem as it is today, but a multi-$100 trillion ecosystem eventually. You can embrace change or fight it, but you owe it to yourself to understand it, as the pace of innovation is going exponential too. What do you think about this? Do you reckon the total crypto market cap will arrive to over $100 trillion in the near future, or do you reckon that Raoul has lost his marbles? Let me know in the comment section. This is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. We got the latest news and technical analysis, so I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial, not the best, but my tutorial of the Bybit leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.